everyone, I'm Olesya and I'm building Sensors AI, an AI-driven platform to test venture ideas. I own a digital marketing agency. We are 7 years on the market and we work with more than 80 startups in the US. And we have become one of the top agencies in San Francisco, California. During this time, I realized why these numbers are real. 9 out of 10 startups fail. They fail because they don't test the product market fit from the beginning. Founders spend years and thousands of dollars developing business ideas that won't work. Our solution is an AI-driven platform to test venture ideas before wasting time and money. On our platform, we have a great onboarding process with AI marketing manager and a testing loop. Test results will indicate whether your future users are willing to pay for your product or service. User willingness to pay for the product or service is the great proof of concept for founder and investor. AI Revolution allowed us to run one test 7 times cheaper and 3 times faster compared to traditional method. 3.2 million startups are created within US every year, with average annual spending of $10,000, which makes our total addressable market 32 billion. Our service obtainable market, with only 0.3% market share, we obtain more than 50 million every year. We don't have direct competitors, but we do have many indirect competitors, such as marketing agencies, in-house marketing specialists, A/B testing platforms. However, all these solutions are quite expensive and not affordable to early-stage startups. Our business model is B2B SaaS with monthly subscription fee. We plan to launch in Product Hunt next month. We plan to partner with VC startup incubators and accelerators. We plan to run digital B2B campaigns and be active in PR. We have conducted more than 50 customer interviews. We've tested our prototype, and we plan to launch our MVP in 3 months. Me, I'm founder and CEO. I have on board 16 marketing and tech experts, and currently I'm looking for a co-founder and CTO with machine learning and AI expertise. We also have advisors from California with deep AI expertise. Currently, we are raising $150K and looking for a co-founder and CTO with machine learning and AI expertise. So if you know anyone, please contact me. Thank you.